Congratulations, you have gotten yourself a damn good doormat. While every damn good doormat is printed with a UV sealant for a long life, you can make it last even longer by spraying it with a coat of clear coat. So we're doing a test today to show you all the different options of coating. First, this is our control corner that has no spray on it. It's pretty good, but we could definitely help you have your doormat last longer. Next up, we did a spray on this section with a coat of Flex Seal Clear Spray, which is super sturdy, really good. I think this could be a winner. Then we've tried some Gorilla Glue spray. I love their tape, so let's check out how the spray is. Oh yeah, that is hardcore. That is some Gorilla Glue, what you expect. Now we're just trying a can of sort of regular polyurethane. It's a little bit less intense. It's definitely doesn't seem like it's going to keep your doormat living as long as the Flex Seal or Gorilla Glue paint. All right, here we are trying the Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel. That is pretty good, I gotta say. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty strong. It's better than the polyurethane. Maybe not as intense as the Gorilla Glue or Flex Spray, but good. And then our most budget spray is just a plain crystal clear spray paint from the Ace Hardware. Still better than nothing, but not the best. And that's it. That's my doormat sealant for UV printed doormats. Scientific test. There you go.